Hi, my name is Jim from eSIM and I'm going to show you how to install our eSIM on an iPhone or iPad using our click to install method. You will need iOS 17.4 or later.
So, once you've purchased your data bundle, you'll receive an email with the subject line Your eSIM. Simply open up the email, tap here, and then tap Allow. Now tap Continue to activate your eSIM, but don't worry, your data bundle will not start until we tell it to. Whilst the eSIM is installing, I would like to explain that if you need any help at any time, just log into your account at my.easySim.global and tap the help icon, and my team will be eager to help you. During the installation, a second signal indicator will appear to show the eSIM is now installed, but it will continue to do its thing and eventually you will just click Done. Congratulations, your eSIM is now installed. In the next section, I will show you how to use your new eSIM. Now select your normal SIM as a default line to make and receive calls. This is usually called primary. On my phone, Apple have named the new eSIM personal, but this may be different on your phone. But we're going to change it in a bit anyway. Now select both SIMs to work with iMessage and FaceTime and tap Continue. I'm going to assume you're not traveling right now, so you do not need to use your new eSIM. So I'm going to select Primary for mobile data, then tap Continue. You can now see in the SIM section that I have two SIMs. My primary SIM can be identified with the mobile number. Now let's set up the eSIM. Tap Personal, or whatever name was given to your new eSIM, and then tap Mobile Plan Label and enter a name of your choice. On my phone, I enter easySim. Then return to the last menu. Tap to enable data roaming so that your eSIM is ready to go when you need to use it. And that's it, your eSIM is ready to go. So when you're ready to travel, just tap Mobile Data, then select your new eSIM. Once you have selected your new eSIM for mobile data, we recommend you switch off your primary SIM if you don't need to make or receive any calls or text messages using your home mobile number. This will also ensure you don't incur any roaming costs from your mobile provider, and it will also save some battery life.
Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to sign into your account where you can check usage, you can buy more data if you need to, and you can get assistance by tapping the help icon. Wishing you safe travels from all of us at eSIM.